beautiful sunny day.
Yes, it is perfect for our trip.
Mom, can you tell me the list again?
Of course. We need tomatoes for salad.
I love tomatoes in sandwiches.
We also need potatoes for curry.
Potatoes are so delicious.
And
onions for everything we cook. Onions make food taste better.
carrots are for soup this week.
Mom, what about cucumbers?
Do you like cucumbers?
Yes, I love cucumbers in salad.
Then we will buy cucumbers too. Are we walking or taking the bus?
We are walking today. Is the market far from here? No, it is only 10 minutes away. I like walking with you.
Walking is good for our health.
Do you have your bag, Mom?
Yes. Do you have your small bag?
I love sunny mornings like this.
Me too, sweetheart.
Yes, I have it right here. Do you have some money with you? Yes, Mom. I have some money.
Good. I have money too.
Can I help pay today?
Of course you can.
Let me lock the door.
Thank you, sweetheart.
The door is locked now. Let's go to the market. Mom, I like talking with you.
Walking is a great time to talk.
I can learn new things this way.
Tell me, what is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Why do you like carrots?
Carrots are crunchy and sweet.
That is a good choice.
What vegetable do you like, Mom? I like spinach very much. Where are we going today?
We are going to the vegetable market together.
Is there a vegetable you dislike? I don't like bitter gourd. Why not?
You?
It tastes very bitter to me. I understand. Many people feel that way.
But it is very healthy. How much longer to the market? Just a few more minutes.
Wow, the market is so busy.
Yes, mornings are always like this.
So many people are shopping here.
Everyone buys vegetables for their families.
I can see so many colors.
The market looks beautiful, doesn't it?
I can smell fresh tomatoes.
The smell of fresh vegetables is wonderful.
Look at all these colorful vegetables.
Let's start with tomatoes over there. Good morning. Where? We need tomatoes.
How much for 1 kilogram?
Really? I want to come with you.
Of course. Get ready quickly. These tomatoes look very fresh.
They smell so good.
Give us 1 kilogram, please.
Mom, can I pay this time?
Of course. Go ahead.
Here is the money.
Thank you for letting her help.
The tomatoes are in our bag now.
Good job, sweetheart.
Now we need potatoes, right?
Yes. Let's go to that vendor.
How much are the potatoes? We need them for curry and fries.
How many kilograms should we buy?
Maybe 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms, please.
Put them in our bag carefully.
Done. What's next on the list?
Onions. We need them every day.
I am almost ready, Mom.
Good. We need vegetables for the whole week.
Mom, onions are in every dish.
Yes, they add so much flavor.
1 kilogram of onions, please.
We should also buy garlic.
Good idea.
1/2 kilogram of garlic?
Yes, that is enough. Mom, the prices seem high today.
Sometimes prices go up and down.
Why does that happen?
It depends on the season.
What does season mean?
Season means the time of year.
Oh, I think I understand.
Some vegetables grow in summer. And some grow in winter?
Exactly. That's why prices change.
That makes sense now.
Look, my favorite carrots.
They look very fresh today.
What vegetables do we need?
Tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and carrots.
Can we buy 1 kilogram?
Of course! They are so orange.
And so shiny, too.
They look very healthy.
We should buy cucumbers, too.
1 kilogram of cucumbers, please.
Now I can make fresh salad.
That sounds delicious. We also need spinach today.
Fresh spinach is so green.
2 bundles, please.
Can we buy coriander leaves, too?
Yes, coriander adds nice flavor. I like how it smells. Fresh coriander makes food taste better.
We have almost everything now.
Do we need anything else?
Maybe
Some fruits? Good idea. Fruits are healthy.
can we buy bananas? That sounds like a lot.
Yes, we cook every day. Yes, bananas are very good for you.
And apples, too?
Of course. I love apples.
What fruits do you like most, Mom?
I like apples, bananas, and mangoes.
Mangoes are my favorite, too.
Mango season is so wonderful. 1 dozen bananas, please. And 1 kilogram of apples.
Our bags are getting heavy.
Yes, but we are almost done.
Mom, I really enjoyed this trip.
I am glad you came with me.
I learned so many vegetable names.
You also learned about prices and seasons.
and how to talk to vendors.
You did a wonderful job today.
Learning is fun when we do it together.
Yes, it really is.
I like fresh vegetables.
Fresh vegetables taste much better.
I practice speaking English too.
Very good, sweetheart.
Thank you for taking me, Mom.
Anytime. I love spending time with you.
Fresh vegetables make us healthy.
That's right. And they taste so good.
I will help you cook dinner tonight.
That would make me very happy.
I love our market trips together.
Me too. Let's do this again soon.
I can't wait for next time.
Now let's go home and cook together.
I will be ready in 2 minutes.
Come to the kitchen when you finish.